What did you color? Color.
Yeah.
What are you coloring?
Baby.
A baby? You coloring a baby?
Yeah. Your baby.
Use a different color. Use a different color.
Your baby.
Go use a different color.
Baby.
That's a picture of your baby.
Yeah.
Okay, can you go?
He.
Cheese. Can you color with a different color? I want to watch you color. What are you drawing now?
Oh, baby.
What did you just draw? What did you draw?
Your baby.
Another baby? Don't interrupt the artist, Jubilee.
Yeah. No, you love me. Icky.
She's not icky. Yeah.
Get that.
You drew a kitty cat?
Get that.
Use another color. How about you use green?
Wait. Wait.
Blue. Green? No, baby, leave those there. We don't play with wipes. What are you coloring now?
It's a duck.
A duck?
Duck.
Oh, okay.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, quack, quack. Is that the sound that a duck makes?
Quack, quack. Wow.
What song does a lion make?
Wow.
Yeah.